what's up, chismosos and chismosas? Welcome to Wrap Your Right San Antonio, okay? Today we got a little C7 Corvette. We're doing some window tint on it. And guys, I'm gonna go show you some real San Antonio style window tint that we're gonna strip off and redo the Wrap Your Ride way, okay? Follow me this way. We also have another F250. Unfortunately, gentleman had the windows tinted, not here, didn't pass inspection. So we got to do a little strip and retint on that one today. It's like tint everywhere today, man. It's crazy. So right over here, don't lose focus with that beautiful McLaren 720 in the back. That got a full matte paint protection film job. I love it. So we're going to show you guys some traditional San Antonio window tint action going on here, okay? And this is what we get to do. We get to strip it and we get to put our own touch on it. Look at that. The San Antonio special, okay? $99 out the door, okay? That's not the Wrap Your Ride special, okay? So we're gonna strip that off. We're gonna get this all nice and beautiful. And then of course this Porsche is going to get a full paint restoration on it. That way it's gonna look great for sale. Oh, sexy. 2022. Already has an aftermarket rear and front bumpers on it. We're gonna be adding a really nice satin black stripe line on this with some traditional Ford Bronco logos. We're gonna make it look one of a kind, absolutely gorgeous. Our client actually owns an original Ford Bronco, or he did own it, one that sold for $300,000.
Whoa, that's an expensive Ford.
Man, OJ. No wonder he went back for those autographs, you know what I mean? So it's crazy. But guys, we have a lot of stuff going on. We got some really cool stuff coming up, okay? We hired an amazing media team, Cars Please, Wrap Your Ride. We're now partnered. We're gonna have some really cool things coming up. We want you to stay tuned in, hit the links, follow along, and we're gonna be moving along this year.